Here we are on Olowalu on Maui, and we're looking at the temporary toxic waste site from the material from the burned out Lahaina. If you look at this, you can see the amount of surface area versus the amount of containment area. In the reservoir at this moment, it had rained days before. You can tell they just mixed the sludge right into the mud. They added quite a bit more material with it. In here at this moment, I want to say there is about 20,000 gallons of material. This is between the 24th and the 25th. They had just pumped a lot of this material out straight into the ground below it, and that would be to right down here. So this is the next day it rained. This is the 26th. It rained less than a half an inch. That half an inch you can see really just filled up in there, and it would have been at the edge, possibly even overflowing. But now they're actually using the toxic material itself as the dam, which in my opinion worsens things, because now you're mixing all the toxic material like a tea bag, and now it has to drain through this into here. Guess what? Now it's 100,000 gallons. 0.41 inches of rain. The facts are the facts. There's 100,000 gallons of material in here. In the next few days, we have about 0.1771 inches, almost 3/4 of an inch on the way. So that means this pond is going to be up here in the 250,000 gallon range, a quarter full. So what happens if we get a 3-inch rain? We're in trouble. The math is obvious.